So hello everybody, my name is Xerox and today I'm doing a review on this new keyboard which I just got, and this is the Kumara K552 from REDRAGON. So this is a mechanical keyboard without the numpad, so it's called TKL or 10 keyless keyboard. And yeah, if you need some space or your table is smaller, this keyboard will fit perfectly. It's made out of plastic, but it's very sturdy. Although it's kinda cheap, the quality is very nice. This keyboard has two stands on the back. The font on this keyboard is more of a gamer look, so yeah, some might like this, some might not. And also the font is a bit bigger than usual, but still it looks clean. The brightness on this keyboard is alright, although yeah, it could be better, so it's not the best. So on the F buttons here you have your shortcuts. For example, you can go for your media, you can pause, you can go backwards, you can go forward, you can open your calculator, increase or decrease your sound and stuff like that. So the keycaps on this keyboard are Ultimo blues, which are very similar to the Cherry MX blues. The sound is clicky and loud. Now some of you might like that. Now here we have the buttons for light modes. So this keyboard has 6 light modes, and each of these light modes has 3 states. The up and down arrows are for brightness, while the left is for the direction of the lights, and the right one is for cycling colors. Now these two show the speed of the mode. And my final thoughts on this keyboard. So yeah, I think that for the price, that is about 60 bucks depending where you live, this keyboard is very reliable and a perfect choice for people who need a small, clean and clicky keyboard. So yeah, it literally has everything. The overall look of this keyboard is amazing. It looks clean, sturdy, it has RGB. I mean, RGB is just awesome. And yeah, the sound of this keyboard, to me, it sounds amazing. And yeah guys, this is it from this review. If you want more reviews, drop a like and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.